that's pretty much how you recess the windows. There's no difference to a standard window, I don't think. The only thing is where you're putting it in the wall.
And we set the joinery into the middle of the wall. So we don't plant it on the outside where the cold can run through from the outside. We set it into the middle, which is it's a modern form of construction. It is Superhome construction, and it's just a move away from what was done conventionally.
Main thing is, and that's what Superhome promotes, is installation within the thermal envelope, which is within the frame of the house. That's what the insulation is, so the window has to be recessed. And those windows in Europe, they're designed to be recessed. Unfortunately, a lot of companies import frames and try to make it fit New Zealand installation. So they put the reveals onto the frame and push it out. Those windows are not designed to be pushed out. There's no insulation from the side. So you create thermal bridging, even you buy those really good frames and you lose 40% of the insulation straight out through the side. And that's why people have thermally broken aluminium installations up to the new standard with better glass, install them typically, and you still have condensation on the frame.
We talked about where to put the window in the wall, and as you pull the frame from the cold part of the wall on the outside through the warm part of the wall, you can improve the thermal performance by 15 to 20%. Without a lot of additional cost. To me, it's a relatively simple win. You just have to think a little bit more about the building connection and the design.
Who knows about the best place to put them in the wall? Everyone know where that is? Recessed? Yeah. So that's obviously to keep that glazing out of the cold part of the wall, where pretty much all building code houses have their glass. So all of our houses that we do, they have recessed windows, and we've recessed windows into many a material. So anyone who says it can't be done is full of it, or bonkers. So we've done brick, standing seam cladding, vertical timber claddings, all that sort of stuff. So we've developed, I won't say a system, but techniques now that make it quicker and easier. The first time we did it was a bit of a curly one just to try and get our heads around something new. But now it's just commonplace for us and quite easy.
It's interesting when we come to detail a recessed window, that the first time a builder does it, they just hate the whole idea, and it's going to cost so much time, and it's going to be really expensive, and who's going to do all these extra flashings? And then they do it, and they go, well, that wasn't so bad, and that looks really cool. And then they do it the next time, and it's just like, well, that's how we do it now. So yeah, again, it's all about just sort of a little bit of perseverance and a bit of education, a bit of encouragement, and yeah, we get there eventually.